So, laziness is one of those things that can be simply solved once you change this one thing, and that is your perception. The way you perceive laziness is inevitably making you lazy, and once you switch that perception that you have of laziness, you will stop being lazy. Like, my friend, once you change the way you see laziness, you will start to not be lazy anymore, because there's two things to this. There's two mindsets, there's two ways of thinking that you have adopted over the years that has resulted in you being lazy, in you being inconsistent, in you being undisciplined. And the first thing that I want you to do, and the first thing that I want you to like remove out of your head, is that you are not lazy. Like, my friend, I'm gonna be honest. You are not lazy. You are not unfocused. You are not inconsistent. You are not undisciplined. Like, dude, there are things in your life that you are disciplined at doing. There are things that every day you are very consistent at doing. Like, you are consistent at waking up at the same time. You are consistent at eating the same food. You are disciplined at doing tasks and going to school at the exact same time. You are very focused on scrolling through TikTok, right? It's just that you are not aware of the things that you're doing. Like, you are already a person who can do all the things that you set out to do. Is that your focus is aligned to something else, and that inevitably leads you to a path of you searching for answers on the internet and watching videos that make you feel inconsistent, that make you feel undisciplined, that make you feel lazy, that make you feel like like a lazy person. Like, this feeds the energy and the frequency and the mindset of you not being the person that you're supposed to be. So we need to start by removing the perception of you being undisciplined, of you being lazy, of you being inconsistent, and of you being unfocused. Like, my friend, the first thing that I want you to do is say to yourself that I am a disciplined person. I am a consistent person. I am a focused individual. I am not a lazy individual. Like, say this to yourself now. Like, dude, you are all those things, but you are just focused on the wrong things. Like, for you to be not lazy, for you to start doing the things that you want to do in life, right? For you to be consistent in the habits that you want to do, for you to start making progress to your goals, right? You need to admit to yourself that you are none of those negative connotations, those negative self-improvement terms. Like, dude, you are the person that you want to be. It's just that you are focused on the wrong things. So you need to start by saying to yourself and realizing that, oh yeah, I am disciplined at doing certain things. Oh yeah, I'm very consistent in my bad habits. Oh yeah, I'm able to focus on watching brain rot content for 3 hours every day. Like, dude, just acknowledge that fact, and then you are starting to make progress for you to stop being lazy, for you to actually make progress to being lazy. Because, like, the funny thing about these videos and like the other videos on the internet, right, instead of giving you actual solutions and making you, make actual progress and giving you practical advice, is that like they make videos to make you understand what's going on, to make you agree with the person who's telling you information. But then when it comes to actually taking action and doing things and being the person that they say they are, and actually like doing the things that they preach, most content creators don't do that. They either lie, or they either like try to make you feel good and be like, oh no, just implement this technique and do this simple thing, visualize it for 5 minutes and then boom, get to action. Like, dude, some of these things work, but 90% of the stuff doesn't work. And when they tell you that this thing has worked, 9 times out of 10 they've probably not even tried it for themselves for a long enough time period. But then I'm here to tell you, for you to get on, to stop being lazy, to actually make doing hard things fun, you need to start to say to yourself that I am disciplined, I am consistent, I am the person who can do the things that I am not lazy, right? You need to start saying this and start believing it with conviction within yourself. All you need to do is just shift your attention, your perception, the way you perceive the act of doing that thing. And so you've adopted the mindset, you've said the weird affirmations, now you believe that you're an undisciplined person, and now we need to shift your focus to you being a disciplined person. We need to shift your attention to you becoming a person who's consistent, who's not lazy. But instead of me giving you like, oh, start meditating, oh, start doing this, and trying to change your physical environment and trying to give you all these weird habits and techniques, I'm gonna die on the hill that I'll continue to preach. Everything starts within the mind. If everything is messed up here, you won't make any progress. If you constantly are distracted and you have like some weird ADHD type disease, you won't focus on getting your degree. You won't focus on having, muscles. You won't focus on making money. So we need to start by fixing your perception and your perception to laziness. And let me tell you something. Why are people lazy? Like, let's have a thought experiment right here. Like, why do you think people are lazy? Is it because they don't want to be fit? Is it because they don't want to have good food? Is it because they don't want to do that good habit activity? Like, no, right? Like, everyone wants to be physically fit. Everyone wants to have a good diet. Everyone wants to live their dream life. So why are we lazy? Why won't we make the effort to achieve that thing that we want? And that is because our primal minds are primed for laziness. Like the lizard brain, the monkey side of our brain is primed for laziness because like back in the old Stone Age days, we needed to optimize our energy levels. We needed to see and to calculate how much energy we're going to expend to hunting the food, to protecting the tribe, to having an intimate sexual encounter with your partner at that time. Like, dude, we needed to preserve our energy. Our mind over time eventually made us to find the most easiest path to getting the thing we want. And so when it comes to the fitness and the reading and getting on that diet and working on that business task and studying and putting the extra effort into your business or your work, it becomes a hill because our brain is primed for laziness. We want to do the least activity that's going to expend our energy. But then the way to solve this and the way to actually make you not a lazy person anymore is to stop thinking about the effort it's going to take us to achieve that task. Because the perception you have when it comes to achieving that goal, the effort that you think you're going to have to put in to go to the gym, to be consistent with your diet, to spend the long hours trudging away on your laptop, trying to find that problem within your business, the hours that you're going to spend, the fun you're going to miss out because you want to study, the time that's going to take for you to become the best at your career and for you to get that degree, you're going to start thinking of that. You're going to start thinking of all that work, which is going to make you not want to do the hard things in the first place. But all you need to do for you to stop being lazy is to just perceive the outcome. Like, perceive the outcome. See it like it's already there. You want to make 10K a month. Already start to see yourself having that 10K a month. You want that degree in your career. Start to perceive yourself having that degree. Your parents congratulating you. You throwing off your, I don't know what those hats are called, the graduate hats, those funny pizza box items. I don't even know what they're called. Like, imagine yourself throwing those in the air, joyous in your achieving your academic success. Like, dude, perceive yourself having those A stars in your class, you being the best in that subject that you love. Like, start to see it now. Perceive you already in that outcome rather than the effort that you're going to have to put in. And that will increase the dopamine levels in your brain for you to achieve that thing. Like, dude, stop seeing the effort. Stop thinking about the early mornings of you having to go to the gym. Stop thinking about the late nights of you working along to make that business success. Stop thinking about the countless hours that you're going to have to spend studying or putting an extra work, an hour or two in your work. Like, stop thinking about that. Because if you're a person who wants to stop being lazy, who wants to stop being inconsistent, undisciplined, unfocused, stop thinking about the effort. Stop it. Just think about the outcome. Solely think about the outcome and how good it is gonna feel. Like, friend, the effort is going to demotivate everyone. Like, dude, I do wake up some mornings and I'll be like, oh my god, do I have to go to the gym? Oh my god, do I have to read? Do I even have to record? Like, come on, do they really need my message today? Like, they have seen my shorts, right? I do wake up with the same voices that you have when it comes to working. Like, dude, I'm a human as you. I have things that I do want to do. It's hard. It's atrocious. I do want to spend all day in bed. I do want to watch anime all day. Like, dude, I want to do those things. But the moment I start thinking about the outcome, about me having the abs, about me having the impact that I want to have on this planet, about me being the strongest in my family, about me becoming the best version of myself, the ideal self that I have, I get instantly motivated to get out of bed and do the things that I need to do. And this will work for you. I just need you to just chill out, okay? Stop thinking about the effort, breathe, and just think about the outcome. Think about you having that sexy body and you taking your shirt off at the beach. Think about you flexing your A stars when your peers are asking how much did you pass. Hey bro, think about you buying that Lambo that you want. Like dude, it's completely okay to do things for the outcome. To think about the outcome, not the work that you're gonna put in. But the one caveat that I wanna say, don't put yourself in this position where you're always thinking about the outcome that does not lead to action. Outcome and action leads to results. So please do not forget to do the actions required for you to achieve your desired goal, your desired reality. Like, dude, you need to also put in the work while thinking about you being great. That being said, if you need personal help from me, one-on-one consultations for free, just hit me up on Instagram. The link is down in the description. I want to get to know the person that I'm talking to so I can best tailor my videos for your specific problem, so I can help you become better. Like if you need help, like extra help in finding these things out, please hit me up on Instagram. My DMs are open. The link is down in the description. And with that, thank you for watching, bro. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, goodbye.